Ready to go to India?
Yes. I'm leaving for India tomorrow, but 2 days ago we just got a Frenchie puppy. I don't want to leave her. When I come back, she's gonna be so much bigger. Can I take both of them with me? Packing for India. I have this sari for so long. Finally have the opportunity to wear it in India. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I was going to do a packing video, but I am running late, so I will just show my outfit when I am there in India. But basically I'm packing a lot of colorful, like super colorful clothing, and of course mostly really long dresses and trousers like that. I bought these trousers a long time ago, thinking that one day my friend's gonna get married and I'll go to his wedding in India.
这是什么？
这是我特意为印度买的裤子。Then I can wear them, but I love this so much and completely overlook the size. It's so big, I can literally put 2 of me in them and still it would be too big. Oh wow, at least it gave us a good laugh. Lulu is visiting me from Shanghai and she decided to come with me 3 days before leaving. It's a miracle if she can get a visa in time. The fastest processing time for an Indian visa for Chinese citizens is 7 days. Let's hope that she can get it. That would be amazing. 6 hours later. Now it's 3 AM and my suitcase is barely done. My bed still looks the same. And look at Charlie. Hey baby.